I have a question. Is W when it's if we're finding a linear combination of U V W, are we saying U plus V equals W? Is that one way of determining it?
U plus V, it's almost that. Yes. It's almost, because if we say U plus V, that means 1U plus 1V equals W. So that would be one special case of one specific linear combination where the scalars are 1 and 1.
Okay, so in that case, is that what we are doing to solve for this? Or?
Yes, yeah, something like that. But you can take other multiples.
So it's in the so we're turning into an augmented matrix. U and V are the variables, and W is the solution.
Okay, so that's a good. I think if I'm following you, I'm gonna make a choice. So you said 1 and 1. I'm gonna slightly change that. I'm gonna say 1 here and minus 1 here. Okay, just for the sake of finishing this. I'm also helping Aaron. Aaron, are you with me? Maybe. I don't know. But so since I'm running out of space here, so I'm gonna. This is kind of weird, but I'm gonna write this is a new vector, which in this case is very simple. 5 minus 3 minus 3, nothing changes, and this here would give a new vector, which in this case is with the action of this. Now this becomes minus 1, and minus 3. Is that right? Yeah. So then when we add these two, we add them together, right? We have 5 minus 1, that's 4. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, and minus 3 is minus 6. So that's what we should write here as 4 minus 4 minus 6. So Aaron, can you enter those numbers and see? Thank you. Okay, how do you submit answer? Submit. It's complaining because the other one is empty. Is that right? What? Yeah. So okay. So Aaron, just hold on a second. Let's say find W that would make an independent set of vectors. Okay. So once we have constructed this W is new, and we constructed it in this way to confirm linear dependence, we could assume that we don't know if they are dependent or not, even though we know it because by construction, that's how we set up W. And if we don't know, we could use RREF, right? So in this case, you could, if you pretend that you assume that you don't know, you could form an augmented matrix with this as the first column, this is the second column, right? So you could say I have 5 minus 3 minus 3, 1, 1, 3, and then the last column, you say I have 4 minus 4 minus 6. So Aaron, can you row reduce this with one of your RREF calculators? Okay, that. Mm-hmm. Okay, so these RREF would be telling you that are they dependent or are they independent?
With the RREF model, it says they're independent, but the way we generated it, it's supposed to be dependent.
So this RREF is contradicting our expectation, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Maybe
Let's-
type something in incorrectly.
Let's see. Aaron, so scroll up here. There's something that's not right. So maybe my
It's negative one,
arithmetic.
negative one, negative three, no. 1, 3.
No, but
You want
the
negative 1, never mind.
Yeah, it doesn't
Doesn't make sense.
I think he missed.
And he hasn't put in right.
Yeah, what's in the bottom
I
line?
think it should be negative 1, negative 1, negative 3. Not 1, 1, 3. It should be 1, 1, 3.
Hey, when I did it, I didn't get a contradiction.
oh
Negative.
wait,
No, it still should be 1, 1, 3. No, because the original vector is 1, 1, 3.
the original vector is 1, 1, 3. So that second column is, but the first column, what
5, negative 3, negative 3.
is the last one? Negative 3 or is it positive 3?
It's fine.
That's probably it.
It's written down.
First one is first one's -3.
That should be minus 3, Aaron. Maybe that's what you got. So do it again. And again, you have
So it may be the calculator.
really? Well, let's try another calculator.
I can verify it.
Hold on a second. Okay, so let me check.
Okay, that one's right.
Yeah, see that? And I guess it's just a calculator.
So you guys found another RDF? That's correct. Okay, Aaron, so that's correct. So the answer, what is this? Is that, okay, so there was, the calculator was stripping us, right? So we're trusting that first calculator, and which is similar to what happened to you, Trevor, maybe, in the previous problem. So with this RREF, which Aaron, on my end here, I use Wolf and Alpha, and then I confirm, right? So with this RREF, you can, with this RREF, you confirm that there is no contradiction anymore. And in fact, that the values that what this would say here is that what you infer from the first row here is that you have 1 alpha 1 equals 1, and then the second row implies that 1 alpha 2 equals minus 1, which were exactly the values that were used to build and construct that W. So we went backwards and we confirmed. This is one of those problems where we had the answer. We knew, right? We were just trying to confirm. Okay. So, okay, this is how you build the dependent. So, Aaron, let's go back to the question. And I need to, I'm going to close this. And this is messy. Clear. Okay. So, all drawings.